If you want fast cash this August, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 low ticket products that you should start reselling. And when I'm talking about low ticket, everything that I will be speaking about will be under $10 wholesale for you to be able to make profit. Now, we are going to be talking about products that sell on eBay, Amazon, Mercari, OfferUp, all of the online platforms. But don't mistake this. You can still sell these customer facing as well. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income stream. And down below, I want you guys to let me know what you guys were selling last month. What were you actually selling? What's so good? Share. Let me know so I can do some research into it. In the top comment, I will be making sure, or if we get multiple comments, I'll put you guys in a randomizer. But I'm going to make sure that I give you something. I want to start giving people things when they comment, because again, I want to connect with you guys. So comment below what sold for you last month. So of course, the first thing I want to talk about is the Laboo dials. Okay, so these dials of course sell really well. I had a whole bunch of videos about this last month, and I got clones. I also have the original, and I was able to see which ones were selling. And believe it or not, it really didn't matter. People weren't really requesting refunds or giving any issues, no matter if it was a clone or original, because there's so many discrepancies out there about this dial. But this dial has hit the market because it's supposed to be. Now, when I say it's supposed to be exclusive, but if we want to be real, there's a bunch of them, and a bunch of people are flooding the markets with these clones. We have been able to sell these successfully for up to $45. The base price that I'm selling them at, though, is $25 because they only cost $22 on the PopMark site. Now, one thing I will say is if you are going to start selling these, get them somewhere reliable, somewhere that's going to be able to give you good quality. Now, the ears shouldn't be too big, they can't be too long, and also you want to make sure it comes with the QR code. I've learned that the hard way, and the little logo at the feet needs to be something that isn't a cutout, okay? Because you'll see a lot of different versions where the feet are just, they have the Laboo dial cut out, and it's just like a piece of plastic, but it's supposed to be embedded inside of the foot. So there's a bunch of discrepancies, and I'll probably make a video showing you guys how to actually tell a fake from a real. But again, even if you're selling a replica one, just don't list it as original. List it as a clone or replica. And no, don't say that in the title. Just say it in the description. And if they ask, be honest, because you don't want to get caught selling counterfeit goods and lying to customers and have them complain. Remember, we want to protect our brand. And of course, this is the top selling product, and it only costs $9. So I would definitely recommend these. So the next product I would recommend is the TypeC headphones. These are anywhere between $5 to $6 wholesale, depending on where you get them. It could be cheaper. Now, I want to make this very, very clear. I had no expectations of these selling last month, but they were selling more than the AirPod clones, the AirPod Maxes. They were selling on everyone's eBay. We saw consistent sales. This is the only product that saw consistent sales on everybody's platform. Now, I want to be very clear. It didn't show high volume sales on everybody's account, but it's steady every time, steady. And what we realized when we did our research to figure out why this was is because there's a lot of people getting the new devices, and new devices, both Android and Apple, use this connection, the Type-C connection. So it has become a need. It has become something that people want to utilize. Not everybody loves AirPods and wireless headphones. People do like headphones that are wired. And we've seen that this is a benefit, especially when you're selling it. Now, I want to leave you guys with this product, right? One thing I've realized is selling wired headphones is actually better than selling wireless, because it opens doors to you actually being able to work with businesses. Now, I'll give you a really good example. I send around 530 something headphones every other 6 months to a hospital around here. And that hospital orders these because they use these wired headphones for their training facility. So if you get a contract like that, you're looking at some stable profit and, of course, stable volume, but it's definitely something you can do. Now, if you want to know how I got this business client, I got them from eBay. So again, I would definitely recommend listing this product. It is a no-brainer, and also a high seller. Now, an oldie but goodie. Now, this has been on the list for about 6 months, the MagSafe battery pack. This is the only product that I see is really consistent. Now, yes, we have clones and AirPod Maxes, yes, but when it comes to looking similar and actually not having anyone question it, the MagSafe battery pack is like the holy grail. Now, I'm not sure if it's because people don't care about the Apple sign on the packaging, but it doesn't have any Apple sign, but it does look similar and it acts literally the same. I have last month, a 0% return on all 863 accounts that we ship products on. I want to make that very clear. That means no one has returned the MagSafe battery pack. And a lot of this has to do with, one, it just working, and two, it having quality, and three, people needing it. This is a massive selling product. Now, we're talking about pricing. This does cost $8 each, and this is a product that you can list and sell for anywhere between $17.50, even $15, and some do still sell it for $12.50. But no matter the price point, I'm telling you, these fly off the shelves and they sell really well. So next is going to be the hanging fans, the neck hanging fans. Now, on Gadget Hustle, my review channel, I think I've talked about this before summer started, to be honest, like right when summer started, and we already knew that the fans were going to be trending. We knew this in December. Now, how did we know? It's because propaganda was going to be pushed out and people were going to start to buy in and bite, and my distributor told me already, right? Now, when it comes to these neck fans, you see people walking around with them around where I live all the time. These cost usually $10, and they are literally lifesavers for people, especially if you're going to sell these outside of events. You're getting sales. Now, online, high competition, you can sell these for $15 to $20, but pop-up shops, customer facing, this is a no-brainer. I'm talking about, I just sold one last weekend for $35, and it cost me personally, $9.50. This is absolutely insane. Me being able to sell these has really put money in my pockets, and also it has helped me when it comes to building relationships with resellers, because a lot of people are outside of events selling these. And not to mention, there's a bunch of different variances and a bunch of different types, because you can have the ones that pivot, you can have the ones that just stand still and they don't move, the fans are just right here. You can have the ones where you have fans that bend. There's a lot of different type of neck fans, and if you find the right one for the right price point, it's going to fly off the shelf. But I will tell you guys this is a product that I would get now for August, but I wouldn't get too many, because summer's about to end and people aren't going to need it unless they are in a hot state. And obviously we don't want to have too much leftover inventory. So I would say, make sure that you're actually resourcing these and getting these by the week. If you're not using my website where we sell wholesale products, wesply.com, and we ship within 2 days, then you might want to start literally buying and shipping now, because you know AliExpress and Alibaba probably take a week or two. All right, guys. So these are really great sellers, and they make you good profit. Now, last but not least, this has been the best seller last month. And if you want to know, we were able to get one person $6,000 and some change for selling charging bundles. Now, for granted, this person wanted to go to the extreme and list 100-piece bundles. We were listing 50-piece bundles. The lowest bundle I think we had was a 24-piece TypeC to Lightning bundle. But we were selling really big bundles, and they were being brought. Now, I was skeptical at first, but being able to get a bunch of chargers and sell them all at once seems like the wave now. It seems like it's kind of moving, and it's intriguing to people, because I guess what happens is they start thinking, well, if I buy 50 chargers right now, I won't need any for a long time, and they feel like they're getting value. Now, this was a really hot seller on eBay, but definitely on Mercari. Now, Facebook, OfferUp, yes, that was a platform where we were able to see when we met up with people from OfferUp, they usually wanted to know if we were a wholesaler, and then we could upcharge and upsell on different products from there. So what I'm saying is chargers are really great sellers, and they're going to be great sellers, especially in August with school coming up. But also they're good ways to have a conversation starter and have people asking, well, what else do you sell? Especially if you're selling it in a bundle, they're going to ask, well, do you wholesale these? And then you can go and proceed from there, and you can close the deal. So guys, these are the top 5 products that I would recommend under $10 for you to start flipping in August. I'm going to bring you guys more videos like this because, again, I want you guys to be able to excel and, of course, most importantly, profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment what sold really well for you last month, and I will be picking with a randomizer something or someone, well, someone to get something. And I'm thinking about making it a MagSafe charger, but I'm not sure yet because I want to actually on live have you pick. So I have a bunch of different plans for this channel, guys, and I'm so excited that you're a part of it. And I will see you guys in the next video.